Maria, whose decision was it to cut your hair?
Me.
How much are you going to get cut off?
A lot.
A lot.
About 3 inches, 4 inches.
3 or 4 inches. That's a lot of hair on that floor.
Can't see it because I'm not.
You have to hold your head still, right? Okay. Nana, it's not my fault. What did Mommy find at home? What did Mommy find at home? In the trash can. Hair. Where did it come from? How did that end up in the trash can? At the front?
Not all the way of the front. Just a little bit. Like a tiny bit. Like this big.
Just that bit. Did you see that? It's just a tiny bit. Just this much. Yeah.
Not a lot.
I don't know exactly how much because she tried to hide it.
I did not hide it.
You didn't? By putting it in the trash, you didn't hide it?
No, I put it in the trash. That's all I did.
Okay. Tell Nana and Papa bye.